Introducing automated highway repair technology from Dahir Inshat. The biggest line item when it comes to highway maintenance is patching work. In Moscow alone, it accounts for more than $350 million a year. And yet the quality of repairs is very low, and the repaired sections of road are only good for a couple of months. We at Dahir Inshat have developed the world's first specialized mobile highway maintenance complex, which doesn't just minimize patching costs, it solves the speed and quality problems too. Here's how it works. Immediately on arrival, the complex automatically positions itself on hydraulic supports and turns on its signal lamps to warn motorists that road work is going on. Using indicator lights, the operator determines the area to be processed and selects the size of plug required. This concludes the operator's part of the job. The machine now goes into automatic mode. The complex applies various tools on its own, switching from one to the next as required. First, the machine accurately mills the surface contour of the section that is to be repaired. It then mills the inside to create a neat hole of the necessary size. Using a vacuum device, it removes chips and fragments of the old road surface and, if necessary, fills in the empty space formed underneath the asphalt with a special mixture stored in the machine's bunker. The machine then takes a plug of the appropriate size from its internal magazine and fits it neatly into the slot it has prepared. The whole tech cycle of the repairs has taken no more than 5 minutes. The plugs, stored chilled, are made from high-quality crushed granite and tar using the vibro vacuum method. After it's fitted, the plug warms up and expands to fill the gap between itself and the old asphalt, resulting in an exceptionally firm joint. The cost of this kind of repair is much lower than the cost of patching work, and the repaired section of highway will remain serviceable for significantly longer. What's more is the machine can work any time of the day or night and in practically all kinds of weather conditions. Our technology is universally applicable and solves the main problem of highway maintenance. Detecting damage early and putting it right in a timely fashion stops it spreading and reduces maintenance costs. Just a few of these machines can provide efficient and high-quality maintenance for the streets of an entire city, saving tens of millions of dollars in the process. With 10 or so of them, you can serve an entire megalopolis, performing 500 or more local repairs every single day. And according to public sources, these cities are currently allocating hundreds of millions of dollars from their budgets for patching work, and spending the money very inefficiently. To find out more about our technologies, visit the Dahir Inshat website.